One from me, John Jones came out on Twitter.
Fuck John Jones. Fuck John. I don't want to hear about that bitch.
From me, John Jones came out on Twitter.
Fuck John Jones. Fuck John. I don't want to hear about that bitch. What are you gonna talk about my nails for? He's just jealous and insecure as a fuckboy. He could never rock shit like this. He's a bitch.
And also he said that he was backing...
Fuck him. I don't really give a fuck what he thinks. Yeah, next.